Wait oh, Nigerians, why be say una no dey like better thing? Why Nigerians una no dey like better thing? No be who dey alive, na who dey alive I know say dem dey celebrate. Na who dey alive now I know say dem dey celebrate. Una go see somebody dey happy, una no go congratulate am. Una go see somebody dey do birthday, una no go wish am happy birthday, but una go dey find person picture wey una wan take do RIP. Wetin be una problem, Nigerians? When this man dey alive, I know how many birthdays since when I take dey follow this man, when this senior prophet TB Joshua, when he just get RIP, which day here. I know how many birthday when this man don celebrate. Una not post a picture like this. The pictures not go viral like this. Nigerians, why una wicked? Why una heartless like this? This man you die now. Now you get opportunity. Now you begin dey post the picture. They follow everywhere. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. RIP don full. Wetin be una problem? Somebody go dey alive, una no go wish am congratulations. Somebody go dey alive, he go dey celebrate birthday, una no go wish am happy birthday. This man you die, everywhere don full for a picture, everywhere don full for a videos. Ah God, Nigerians they really say they no dey honor prophet for him hometown. Na be this una o. Una know wetin una lose o. Una no know wetin una lose o. Since I was born, I never see Nigeria president from the history of Nigeria. I never see any Nigeria president when better pass this man. Wetin this man don do? I never see any Nigeria president when don do am for that country. Wetin this man don do for the 36 state for Nigeria, the 36 state when we get all these governors and they never do one thing.
Nigeria president na photo.
Half quarter of wetin this man don do for that country. So now you dey happy as this man you die. So as una know who will lose for Nigeria. So now hero now will lose. Oh. Second Jesus Christ for Nigeria now will lose. Una no know. Now they post the pictures, they follow everywhere. RIP. I hear the verse everywhere don full. Una no get sense. Last year when this man celebrate his birthday last year, una no post a picture like this. This man picture not go viral like this for a birthday, not go viral. Stupid people. Una no dey like better thing. Somebody you die, they never ever reach one. And once the news as una you hear say this man die, everywhere eyes everywhere don full. Nigerians, wetin be una problem? Okay, una happy say as this man get as he die, so una happy. As this man you die, so una no person when Nigeria lose. So this man alone and a federal government for Nigeria, this prophet TB Joshua, this our senior prophet. This man alone a federal government for Nigeria. If una no know me, una know. This man pass una useless president, bubu one at the carry waka. This man pass Lagos State governor, pass all the old governor when they Nigeria. Ah man, I hear the paro, I hear the verse. Everywhere don't full. Person not they hear what they gave. Prophet TB Joshua, RIP. Wetin be all this one? I will say this man they alive to celebrate this birthday. Believe me, this man picture not go viral, videos not go viral like this. They not go wish a happy birthday. Ungrateful people. If not only Libya returnees when this man they receive every month, every year. Una know how much this man they spend for Libya returnees said. Una know the way this man they attract tourists, they come Nigeria, they come Lagos State. Una know how many employment this man don't create for Lagos State. Una know the way this man take care for the widows, for fatherless people. That is, people I don't understand. For the sick, una know how this man, for the elderly, una know the way this man take care for them. Ah man, this thing, the thing just they pay me. I don't shed tears, I don't tire. This man not be supposed to die. Well, he die not still to pay me. I know say now God call and he go meet God. The man just go rest. But wetin dey vex me na more na rest. More na not the men start to dey post the picture for everywhere. I don't want to see this man picture again with RIP. Nigerians, make una rest. Make una rest. Or who want to agbe una hold too much. Make una rest. Everywhere RIP. I don't tire. If you go Facebook, this man pictures don't full everywhere with RIP. If you go YouTube, Instagram, it don't full everywhere. See videos. Una not the shame. Person where you die never reach out. Ah God. Since when this man don't they celebrate birthday, they come when he dey alive. How many birthday when this man don't celebrate? He's supposed to celebrate 58 now. In pictures, in videos never go viral like this. Once, no. So all of una just they happy as this man you get RIP. So as he dies, all of una they happy. Ah, may una stop, eh? May una not provoke God, oh. May una not provoke God, eh? Wetin dey play? Wetin dey sup, Nigerians? Una know we lose, so una know who comot for this earth, so. Senior prophet TB Joshua, this man you get rap. Una you dey use the picture, you take dey do yeye. Now they post the videos for everywhere. Una no go respect una self. Wetin be all this one? Now you everywhere don't fool for this man picture. Everywhere don't fool for his videos. When he dey alive, una not dey celebrate am like this. Last year when he do his birthday, una not celebrate am like this. Una go even pass up. Una go see somebody when even wish am happy birthday. Una not go fit type happy birthday put for them. Una go pass. But the man don't die. Now see pictures, see videos don't fool everywhere. Ungrateful people. Instead, when una take dey celebrate am in a good way, now una dey write RIP, dey follow all corner. Una dey write RIP, dey follow everywhere. Because una not dey shame. Una not like better things, useless people. That's why una not go fit see better government wey be say may go rule na for that country. E just die, never reach how many days, everywhere don cast. How we say this man dey alive now to celebrate this 58 years. Una no go post the pictures like una no go wish am happy birthday. Una no go even fit type happy birthday put for somebody wey be say man he post the picture wish am happy birthday. Una no fit type common happy birthday. Una no fit write am. But RIP dey quick una to write. I dey fear una. Nigeria people, I dey fear una. And Suleiman too. I remember the time when you dey insult this innocent man. You dey insult am. You say Synagogue Church of All Nations is too small. TB Joshua is too small. The man don't die now. TB Joshua is too small. Synagogue Church of All Nations. Me, I never see where a whole man of God. You call yourself man of God. You go stand for altar. They insult your fellow man of God. And your members, they see they clap on for you. They clap on for you. They shout altar because you be king. TB Joshua is too small. Synagogue Church of All Nations is too small. And I'm not, man, are you the paro? Guys, make we watch this video together. When Suleiman for come they saw this man. I know say this video don't taste more, but I just feel like to replay him again.
Prophet TB Joshua is too small. And my problem is that when I respond, I don't respond, I respond raw. I don't edit. You are too small. The synagogue is too small. Too small. And my problem is that when I respond, I don't respond, I respond raw. I don't edit. You are too small. The synagogue is too small. I cannot fight, church cannot fight church. But I must correct an impression. None of my pastors have followed me to my Father in the Lord. Me, I book months before I see him. Then I carry a frustrated fat body babu to go and meet who? There is no mountain on Lagos Ibadan Express Road. No mountain. You're sick. What I don't understand here is, was it a mistake? Somebody stand for 1 hour 30 something minutes. Is she a guest speaker? No shaking. Where did they come? Speaking against me alone is already dead. You now add Pastor Adeboye. You add Papa Idahosa. That is my pain. You are not afraid a man who has gone to be with God, you can lie about him on the altar. You cannot leave this matter. You people should prepare fire for better news. This is news you can defend. There are certain news only God can defend you.
See the way they talk to you, fellow man of God. After now they will say no judge. And he members, the Ozuku, they see they clap and they shout, "Hey!" TB Joshua is too small. Synagogue Church of All Nations is too small. Ah man, I don't know, Sha. I know yours know. If person talk now, they'll say not judge anybody. Not judge person, not me say if you see waiting wrong, may you not talk. You not me say if you may you not know your right. Not judge man or God, not me say may you go for who. You stand for altar, they insult. The man don't die now. He don't die. He don't go now.